Hello everybody, so today I will talk about statistics. The topic today is combination. Suppose that we have a fuse box containing 20 fuses, of which 5 are defective. If 2 fuses are selected at random and removed from the box in selection without replacement, what is the probability that both fields are good? So I will show the technique how to answer the question. First, we need to find the total way to select. So that's it about the combination. C20, and we have 2 fields, so we have number 2 in here. And we go about this one first. It's about 190. The next one, we just select only 2 fields, but they should be about good condition. We have only 15 fields in good condition, so the total way to select the good ones. So that's it about number 15 and number 2. And we calculate this number is about 105. So the probability to select the good one, that's about 105 over 190, and we got about 21 over 38. This is about the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.